Hi guys, here is your overview of the World War II assignment. I know I'm going over it in class, but if you missed that or you're still confused, here's some clarification. So you're reading a book about World War II or the Holocaust, and your goal is to better understand the theme of that book. And there are multiple themes in any book, and I will also do a lesson on what is a theme. But for now, we're just going to stick with a theme is just some big overall idea in a book. And so this is what you're going to be working on. You're going to divide your book into 4 sections. And we should have done this in class. So you should have a page that looks like this where you've got when each section is due. So you'll take your book, page numbers, divide it in 4. So if you've got 200 pages in your book, you're going to read 50 pages for each section. And then there's a due date. So for example, section 1 is due on April 5th, section 2 is due April 12th, April 19th, and then April 26th. That's basically every Friday in April, a different section of your book is going to be due. You're also going to figure out how many pages you need to read each day. This includes the weekends. So if you start to get behind, you may have to read extra each night, but this just gives you a good idea. Okay, I need to read about 10 pages each day, or I need to read about 6 pages each day. All right, so you selected one of these 4 themes. So the themes are friendship, love, family, and being a hero. And while you're reading the book, you are going to be looking for examples of each of those themes. You need to find for each section 3 examples of that theme. So if you're doing the theme of love, and on page 22, a character saves someone's life, or they sacrifice themselves. That happens a lot in these books where someone sacrifices himself for someone they love. So you'd put the page number that happens on, a quote, meaning word for word exactly what does it say in the book, and then you're going to write down, what does this teach you about the theme? Well, this teaches that some people, when they really love someone, they're willing to give everything, including their life, to save someone's life. Okay? So that is what we're looking at in this book. The second piece that you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing some flip grid evaluations, or reflections, I should say. The flip grid reflections, those are to have a book study with other people who are reading the same book as you. So you are going to be doing flip grid responses along with other people who are reading the exact same book as you. Now make sure that you're on the correct one, because some of these are going to give some spoilers. So if you're doing the section 1 flip grid video, don't talk about things that happen at the end of the book. Okay? So when you finish section 1, make sure you only do the section 1 video. You're also going to go in and make some responses to other people. So hopefully we'll have a nice group discussion about what's going on in your books. That is all I've got. If you have any questions, please ask. Until next time, book it forward and be awesome. Bye, guys.